Hello Hiji, I saw the new update, so it's much better than last time. But let's make a few more improvement to make it better. This one's pretty good, so you don't have to change it at this point. Maybe make this light bulb a little bit smaller because now it looks too big in the head. Then okay, this one, I think you have too many dots here. Okay, so if you have too many circles, this look like it just makes me feel a little bit busy, right? So if you look at original image, there's very few dots. It's basically they have 7 to 3, right? So you can just eliminate some of these dots, so it doesn't really like look so clustered. Maybe take off half of the circle here, take half the circle here, so they look like less busy. Also, if you view this one, right, there's a subtlety of here, right? So you actually see there's a curve composed by all the dots, right? While you can see here, there's not that much connection. So this looks isolated from the dots in the head. So if you can, I definitely think you can do it. You can kind of draw a dash line here, right? So I'm not saying put a dash line on the final result. A dash line as like a path, right? So you kind of can follow some dots here, follow here to here, because the whole concept is to show knowledge from one brain to another brain, right? So in that sense, if you have if you align the dots in a curve, then people get the idea much faster. So please make that change. Oops, what is this? Alright, sorry, it's another video. Alright, for this one, you already have the foundation here. I would say try to mimic this one a little bit more, right? So first, okay, two things, right? So all these dots, so they only take over this much head, okay? While yours actually take over more. I don't know if that's a problem. Maybe not. Experiment with it. But this one thing, please change it, is that you look at these dots, they are like kind of carve out the head a little bit, right? They're carving out the shape to the head, which really makes it feels like the dots is flying out of the head, right? So that's mastermind. It's masterminds a lot of ideas flying out of the brain. So in that sense, you may also want to carve out the brain a little bit. But the reason I want to take off some dots is because if you carve out here, it's carve out too many of the heads, right? If you carve out only this much, it's fine. So because it uses square, right? So you carve out in a square way. If you use dots, maybe you want to carve out in curve, okay? If it doesn't work nicely, just mimic this one. Just carve out a square, make it look like this. Maybe different number of dots. Here you can still keep the circle. Just do what I said. I think that's all the update. Thank you for the update. Keep it up. I'm looking forward to see your new result. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.